Good night, Cure. My name is Everson Pastrana. I am business administrator student. I am 51 years old. I live in Ibagué. I work supernumerary administrator in Made Central. I Christmas I was in the family celebrity the days unites. My recipe is summer. His ingredients are 2 pounds of pork rice cut in small pieces, 12 pieces of chicken, 1 pound of pork bacon cut in small pieces, 4 medium potatoes peas on slip, 2 large square peas on slip, 6 sliced boiled eggs, 1 cup of peas, 3 cups cooked rice. Step 1. Place already ingredients in the blender into a small reserve the cup of dressing to prepare the dough. 2. And the plastic container put a cup the marinade meats with cover and refrigerate overnight. 3. To prepare the dough, place the massage in the large bowl and the water, salt, seasoning or and the reserved seasonings. 4. Mix with a wooden spoon and the white banana leaves with white hot water and the sets beside. 5. To assemble the tomato, put a piece of the chip on the board, surface and the 5-second chip on top. Then place an ingredient and the white on the tie with strip. Sit. Then put large bowl with salt water to boil and the white tomato for 2 hours. And ready in just tamales.